What's up, bro?
Hello, bro.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, I'm absolutely fine. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So hello guys, how are you? I'm Sanjit and you're watching Sanjit Rao YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to I'm going to teach you how to do double roll editings in Adobe Premiere Pro. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So as the page is open, and now what you need to do is you need to just shoot two separate videos, one in the left side and one in the right side, so that the viewers think that it is a double roll. So first you need to import the two separate videos. Just double click right here on the project panel, and then go to where you have saved the two videos. So I just saved right here, and then open it. So it's just importing. After importing, you need to just drag the videos into the timeline. So let's wait till it imports. Yeah, so it's imported. The videos are imported. Two videos are imported. Two separate videos are imported. Make sure that the two separate videos should be shooted in a same place. Camera should not shake there should not be any small movement, otherwise uh, it will not be a perfect double roll editing. So now just click on one clip. So just click on the first clip, that is, I just selected this clip, and now from here drag it, place it in the timeline panel so that it comes in the timeline panel and can start your editing. So the video is visible in the program. Yeah, so now I'm going to crop it till where I need. Yes, till here I am going to crop it till this the last dialogue I said, and now I'm going to select the another clip and I'm going to drop it over the first clip. So you need to actually first put the first clip in the V1 and A1 panel, and then you need to put the second clip in the V2 and A2 panel. And now I'm going to crop it because this is the unwanted portion of the video for me, and now I'm going to drag it over here in the timeline. So I'm just cropping it so that it becomes short one. So this is actually what you need to do. After cropping it, what you need to do is you need to select the topmost clip, that is the 912. So after selecting the topmost clip, go to the project panel and you can see a two arrow mark right here. So just select this and you can see FX. Click this one and then go here and type crop. So after typing crop, you can see under the video effects a transform bar is there, and under that crop option is there. So just go and click over that crop option. Just click the icon of the crop and drag it and place it over the selected clip or the topmost clip. And after that you can see in the FX control that a crop page is opened, and then you need to just crop it. So actually this is the left side, it's the right side for me, and now I'm going to crop it from the left. So if I crop it from the left, I'm just cropping it halfway, and if the line should not be visible, if you think that the line should not be visible, it should be looking like a realistic double roll one, so you need to just go to the edge feather and then you need to drag it to 100. So you can drag it to, if you drag it to negative 100, the side which is there, that fades away. So you should drag it over to the positive side always. So 100, I just dragged it, and you can see that you can't see over the line because it's faded over. So that's it. Then now what you need to do is just, if you see playing,
Hello, bro.
so now you can see that the two members are there in the yeah, what do you say, the video. So this what the editing is. It's very simple, and after that, after your editing, you can just, and then you can just save up the video. So after exporting the video up, you can just share it to your friends, or like this video, share this to your friends who are interested in editing and in Premiere Pro. So share it with your friends subscribe my channel and to get more videos about editing tips. Thank you guys.